what time scaling property says, if xt has Fourier transform as x of omega, okay, then time scaling means this is the time scaling property. If a greater than 0, it will be complex signal. If a less than 1, if a greater than 1, it will be complex signal. If a less than 1 or greater than 0, it will be exponent signal. Okay. So the signal, let me take a as a positive, a greater than 1. It will be omega by a. Right now you write like this: 1 by mod a x omega by a. Okay. Why I am giving mod a, I will explain at the end of this. After derivation, this time scaling property. Just you write x of at equal to 1 by mod a x of omega by a. Okay. Proof. Please ask question if you has any doubt. Write down Fourier transform, or you can write. Oh wait. You can write. First of all, you write that x of omega we know how much, 1 by minus infinity to infinity x of t e to the power minus j omega t dt. This thing we know. Now Fourier transform of x of at is given by how? If you take this thing as a y of omega, then y of omega equal to minus infinity to infinity. Okay. X of at e to the power minus j omega t dt. Okay. Here we are not changing with the omega below or limit below, because the time period of the aperiodic signal is infinity. Okay, that's why we are not dealing, or we will not change the time period. A period like a 1 by t. We have changed in the Fourier series. Here we are not. We don't have to do anything with like this. Okay, just you put x at here, and you can write the equation like this. So you write, you number it as a 1. So to solve this problem, you should assume or let at as a p. Okay, what will be the dt then? Dt equal to dp by a. Can you understand how we will get this thing, dt dp by dt? Can you know? Are you able to find this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. So you can write t equal to p by a. Okay. So take the limit. When t equal to infinity, infinity is there. When t equal to minus infinity, what will be the p? T equal to minus infinity with multiply with a, it will give minus infinity only. When t equal to positive infinity, p will be infinity only. Okay. So now in equation you can write y of omega equal to minus infinity will be minus infinity only. Okay. Positive infinity is positive only. So x of at you can write p e to the power minus j omega t, you can write p by a. Okay. By dt you can write dp by a. So you can bring a outside, minus infinity to infinity x of p. You can write minus j, you can write like this, omega by a p and dp. So this is similar with the x of omega, only this omega a is there, that's why you have to write what? X of omega by a. Okay, this is proof. We have proved But why I have given mode? I have given mode because when you find the similarly, when you find Fourier transform of x of minus 80, okay, then we will find the Fourier transform as 1 by a x of minus omega by a. Understand? If you compare these two results, the a value is similar mode. If you take plus or also minus also, this will give mode only, means a positive value only. That's why by looking this two property, or you can write. That's why you can write, if you give it is 3 and this is 2, this is 3, then you can write from 2 and 3, you can write that x of 80 Fourier transform is 1 by mod a x of omega by a. If a is minus, then minus sign come in this bracket, but outside it will be positive only. That's why we can write 1 by mod a x of omega by a. Understand? Please let me know if you complete, and if you have any doubt, you can ask. If you have any doubt, you can ask, or let me know if you finish. Completed?
Completed, sir.
So till now we have learned total 4 property. Okay. Among these 4, 3 are most important. One is time shifting, time reversal, and time scaling. Okay. And problem has come. They will try to give a problem where you have to use these 3 concepts. Okay. Time shifting, time scaling, and time reversal. Okay. Let me solve a problem from easy to complex. Okay. Let me give a problem which is very easy. And if you know the properties, then you can solve the problem easily. Find the Fourier transform of a signal is given like this. 0 to 1, 1 x of t. Okay. So find the Fourier transform of this. So since all the condition of Dirichlet condition is fulfilled, so we can use the direct formula also. Okay. And you have to take limit minus infinity to infinity, take the xt as a 1 like e to the power minus j omega t dt. With that formula, you can solve this problem. Okay. But using the Fourier transform property, you can solve this problem with using two line only. Understand? With two line, you can solve this. But before that, you have to know some Fourier transform of some of the signal. As I have given in the some problem I have solved, those are very important. Just you remember the Fourier transform of those signal also. Like we know that Fourier transform of using two line, we can solve this problem with the help of Fourier property, Fourier transform property. We know that if xt a rectangular signal 1 minus half to half. Okay. What is the Fourier transform of this signal? Can you look into your page, earlier pages, earlier classes? I have solved this problem. The Fourier transform of xt is 2 by omega sine omega by 2. Or you can write here sinc f also. Okay. So since this, so what will be this signal? Shifted version of, what is the shifting? How much is shifted? Can anybody say? Is shifted?
Half.
Is half shifted, means you can write t minus half. Minus means if shifted to the right. Understand? That's why if shifted to the right, you have to give minus sign. Okay. 1 only. So this you can compare with the x t minus t naught. Okay, x t minus t naught is there. That Fourier transform will be this t naught minus is there. That's why e to the power minus j omega t naught is here minus half. So here half will become, so x of omega. X of omega means this 2 by omega sine omega by 2. This is the answer. Understand? Any doubt? So with the properties of Fourier transform, we can easily solve the signal if you know this concept of time shifting, time scaling, and time reversal. Is completed? Any doubt? So let me stop class today. And tomorrow I'll take the this